Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to log in my Instagram account and it shows forgotten password for Arun Kumaran. You can log in with your linked Facebook account. So how to fix this issue? So my suggestion is this is not a error message, which means that if you enter the wrong password they showing this kind of message. And the one and only way to overcome this message is you can change your Instagram account password to new one. So how to do it? So now in this login page section, you can press this link get help logging in. And they ask for my Insta username or email ID or Instagram link to phone number. So you can enter any one of them. But here I try to put my email ID. So once you put your details and click to next. So next they ask for send an email, send an SMS or log in with Facebook. So here I try to select the first one, send an email. And they send the one verification email. So I try to check my Gmail inbox. And this is that mail. So here you can press reset your password. And then choose Instagram. So finally I get to the password reset section. So here you can enter your new password. So once you enter your new password and then press reset password. So finally you can see now my Instagram account is opening very smoothly and also my password is changed to new one. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box and thanks for watching.